Hi everyone, thanks for being here. Today's video, Cricket, Darts, Dice. This game is for 2 to 4 players, and what you'll need are 3 20-sided dice and 3 6-sided dice. With that many dice, you can always have a dice cup. Then you'll need a pad of paper, a pencil, and you'll need to know how to score a game of cricket. I also have apps for all of these materials that I will link in the description. So you want to close numbers 15 through 20 in bullseye on our pretend dartboard by hitting each at least 3 times and having the lowest score. So each player rolls a 20-sided dice, and the highest number goes first. If 2 players tie with the highest number, all players roll again. First player is going to roll all 6 dice 3 times and then pass the dice. If a dice is cocked on top of another dice or rolled off the table, just re-roll all the dice. The 20-sided dice represent a dartboard with the numbers 1 through 20. The 6-sided dice represent single on the dartboard, double on the dartboard with a pair, or a triple on the dartboard with 3 of a kind. Bullseye is achieved by getting a pair or 3 of a kind on the 20-sided dice. So you're trying to roll the numbers 15 through 20 in bullseye on the 20-sided dice. If you have more than 1 dice that scores, you have to choose one, not both. After 3 rolls, pass the dice clockwise and play continues. Scoring will be cutthroat rules. This means if you have a number closed, like you've hit it 3 times or more, and you hit it again, you will add points to your opponent's score. So if you hit a 17, add 17 points to everyone else's score. If you hit a double 17, you would add 34 points. But your points are only added to opponents who have not yet closed that number. So you win when you have all the numbers closed that you were going for and the lowest score. Question answer time. Question: if I roll a pair of 16s, can I choose whether it's a 16 or a bullseye? Answer: it depends. All pairs, or 3 of a kind, count as a bullseye until bullseye is closed by all players. Then you can start using pairs as other numbers. If I roll a pair of 16s and a 17, can I choose whether it's a bullseye or a 17? Yep, your choice. If I roll a 19 and a 15, can I choose to score either number? Yes, either, but not both. What happens if I pair the 6-sided dice, but none of my 20-sided dice score? Nothing. If you can't score on the 20-sided dice, that's the end of your throw. Do I get a final turn if my opponent went first and won? That's not how this game works. So, let's get into it. I am going to take my very first throw. And I have a 1, a 6, and a 10 on the 1-sided dice, so that's enough. On the 20-sided dice, so that's nothing. Nothing there either on my second dart. I guess my aim is off today. And now I have an 18, so I need to look at my green dice, the 6-sided dice, to see if I have a pair or 3 of a kind. I don't. So I hit single 18. All right, player 2's turn. 18 and a pair of 3s, so that's a double 18. $15. And their third throw. Pair of 10s, that's a bullseye, but no pair on the green dice, so just a single bullseye. I'll play another round or 2. Second inning. We've got a 19 and a pair of 1s, so that's a double 19 for player 1. Second dart. 20 or 19. I can pick, so let's see. I think I'm going to take the 20 since I don't have any yet. Yes, I could have closed the 19, but it's personal choice. 1, 5, 6, nothing there. All right, so I think you guys get the idea. Again, this is a perfect app here, this Cricket app. There's settings, again, to turn cutthroat on, what you want to do. And then you have 2, 3, and 4 players. And then, so as you go along in the game, I'll just show you, when you hit a 3rd time, right, that's going to close it out. And then, so if I am closed on 19, player 1, and I hit another one, you can see those 19 points now went to my opponent. Now, when both players close out something, there's a line through it. See the 17? And then once bullseyes are closed, remember, if you roll a pair of 16s, you can now use it as a 16. So then the game is over when one player has everything closed and the lowest score. Congrats to player 2. Well, thanks for joining me. Do all the things all the other YouTubers ask you to do when it comes to their channel. And you guys Take care.